today we're playing car simulator.
Peace.
What? What is that?
I'm lagging, bro.
I said peace.
And I'm gonna go.
What? Budu, you want to drive your car?
Nah.
You're coming with me, right?
I accidentally get me out of this. It's too fast. I like that.
Wait. I'm gonna see how much can I sell my car for.
How do you say if you sell your car for $1 million?
No, it's not for $1 million, bro.
It's worth $1 then.
It's not for $1.
It's $2 then.
It's not for $2.
It's $1K then.
No, it's not.
It's $29.
No, it's not.
191 million because we're going to go.
No. Come on, bro. Yeah, I'm the best driver. I never crash, right? Oh, bro, you want to race since you... Race, bro.
Come here, bro. You're going to see me smoking.
Bro,
Raise up the sun. Hurry up.
come on. The race will start.
Race start. Oops. I don't need the free money.
Come. Alright, we can do drug race. Alright, drug race time. Come. Bro, you're gonna be trash, bro. You're trash. I'm gonna smoke you. You're trash. Yo, Maxie just see a smoke me.
Smoke, yeah, man. What is that?
At least I did not jump. This one?
That's smoking.
How many laps? I'm first place, baby. Yeah, we already do that. Yep. Yo, I tried to cheat, bro. It is.
Bro, the car is gone.
Ha! First place, baby. We done earlier. Not finished. You are not finished. Almost, bro.
Not first place.
Your backup car not gonna win against me, bro. DNF. My car trash. Yo, don't talk, bro. Yo, bro. You know what? So, I got 100,000. Time for buy a car. Time for buy now buy a new plane. Yeah, buy a new plane. Yeah, it just must go away though.
Plane dealership.
Yep.
Now go over there like in a minute.
Yep. Thanks to drive. Even know where there?
Yes!
Well,
I know my last truck. No, for third back.
I'm gonna buy an airplane.
but just, how much money I have, Budu? $1,000.
Now I'm gonna spend all my money and look what I'm getting.
Yo, the car got a car dealership. Yeah?
Mami, I boost for the
Stop
man.
playing football.
Oh, shit. Yeah, boost for the man.
Alright. I'm almost dead here.
Are the car dealership?
Yeah.
We almost did it. But then there's okay, we zoom past the accident.
Maxi,
But it's running out there.
Maxi, they can't find it now. Yo, we just passed the yeah, my dead near you. Yeah, you gone? Yeah, go away.
I'm still there.
Yo, yeah. You see a plane? And eh?
Sorry. I'm too late. You buy an airplane.
Oh, you're the right song?
You're so rich.
Actually, I'm broke now.
And I'm rich on you.
Cool.
No, you're not. You're... No bother. Come down the car.
Yo, the man just eating words. Yo, you don't see me on the highway?
Oh, you have my car.
Me dey on
Buy
the-
one car for you?
Mm-hmm.
You have $50,000 now buying a car.
I'm buy a car on you now. Where? Yes, sir.
Nickquan, wait. Nickquan, you want to come in and plane? Eh? Must stall. Stall. Eh? You coming and plane?
Want to drive it.
Eh?
Want to drive it.
Alright. Alright.
But I mean, take up the summer off. I for sling upon it and bro. But I move your bike. But come on, see them hold it now. I'm moving it.
There's no. Shit, here, one more box. That one. Let's see everybody weak.
Nickquan, eh? Nickquan, since him color them things there, just don't buy the car. Nickquan,
But this is still a trash.
Nickquan, yeah, drive it.
Trash. And that car is broke up.
No.
Useless. And you're trash.
Let me do this thing. Eh. Nickquan, you sure you know for fly the plane? No stall. You know for do not stall the plane.
Why?
Yeah, and then after we are go then. You know, Nickquan. Yo.
What? Oh. Get out.
Yeah. We're gonna die.
I got a car. I got a car.
Yo, bro. What time is we there go dead? Give me back my plane. watch us on the plane.
You know what? That's why I'm eating for them to see that plane. Yeah, look, you want to fly it.
Yo, you crazy?
Wait, this one last time.
Bro, you're gonna crash my...
I swear.
And it's gonna be a Lamborghini.
Please.
Okay, I'm gonna land.
Right at the car dealership.
Actually, I'm gonna land on the highway.
Car dealership, bro.
Car dealership.
Bro, see you played.
You see me? Ugh.
Then again.
Got him back. Look, you don't see me.
Right there. Yes, go down, me want drive it.
Look, alright.
Mom, can I get some money?
Me want drive it.
Yeah, drive it now.
No. You want drive it.
May I go up on the highway and then you can get for driving it.
No, you don't.
Bro.
I say I can't do it. Your trash said flying.
Bro. You talking. Alright, come now.
Are you seriously in the water?
Bro, come on.
Wow.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know what to buy a car.
But no, you're not the
In
plane.
your head.
Be
I
careful.
have to buy a car.
Nicole, you just don't press this.
I'm good, Jaylen.
The trash!
Let's go.
What the heck is wrong
Shut
with
your
you?
I'm gonna do some curve then. Remember that's on the curve.
Here you
From
go.
the-
I don't actually... What are you... If you got like the video, subscribe.
No!
Bye.
I'm gonna go and fly the plane.